Hello everyone, myself is Vigneshwari, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering from SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to discuss on the topic addressing modes of 8085, and this comes under the unit 8085 and 8086 processor. So from the subject microprocessors and microcontrollers. So before learning addressing modes, let us quickly recall some basics. So every instruction it consists of opcodes and operand. The opcode tells the processor what to do and the operand tells on what the data operations to be performed. So in the previous lecture we have discussed the instruction set and now we will focus on how operands are accessed using the addressing modes. And today's topic of discussion will discuss why addressing modes are needed and the different types of addressing modes in 8085 and then understand each mode with a simple example. And next comes with addressing modes. So an addressing mode it specifies the location of the data or the operand for an instruction. It tells the processor where the operand is stored. By choosing the appropriate addressing mode, programs can be optimized for better performance and reduced memory access time. And we'll see about the addressing modes in microprocessor. So the 8085 processor supports several addressing mode where the important ones are being the immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, and implied addressing mode. So let's now discuss each with one example. So first comes with the immediate addressing mode. In immediate addressing mode, as you see in the figure, the operand is directly specified in the instruction, which means the data value is available immediately. For example, MVI A, 25H, where MVI it specifies the move immediate. Here 25H is the immediate data that is to be loaded into the accumulator. And this mode is fast because no additional memory access is required, but it is limited to small data values. So this is how the immediate addressing mode function. So next comes with the register addressing mode. So as we speak about register addressing mode, the operand is stored in a register. For example, MOV A, B, which is move the contents of the register from the B to the register A or accumulator. And this mode is very fast because the registers are located inside the processor and can be accessed quickly. So this is how the register addressing mode functions. Next comes with the direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the memory address of the operand which is specified directly in the instruction itself. Take for example LDA 2050H, right? The processor directly access the memory location 2050H to fetch the data or add R1, 1001. So here the processor it directly access that location to fetch the data. So this mode is easy to understand but slightly slower because it involves the memory access. Next comes with the register indirect addressing mode. In register indirect addressing mode, the address of the operand is stored in a register pair. So as we have seen already, the usual register pairs, the registers could also be used in pairs like BC, DE and HL. So here the register pair which we are using is HL, which is the memory pair. So for example, MOV A, M. Here M refers to the memory location whose address is being stored in the HL register pair. So usually the HL pair will be used, right? So this mode is very powerful and commonly used for array and pointer based operations. Next comes with the implied addressing mode. In implied addressing mode, the operand is implicitly specified. There is no need to mention the operand explicitly. For example, CMA. And this instruction automatically complement the content of the accumulator. And the operand is already understood by the instruction itself. So CMA it specifies the complement the content of the accumulator. Let's see a quick quiz here. Addressing mode specifies, yes, the location of the operand. And the instruction MOV A, B uses which addressing mode? Good. It is a register addressing mode. So to summarize, addressing modes define how operands are accessed in 8085, and we've discussed the 5 addressing modes with the example. So choosing the correct addressing modes helps in writing efficient and optimized program. So thank you for watching the lecture. We'll continue with the next topic in the upcoming session. Thank you.